Mastering modifiers. Modifying adjectives with adverbs. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our series on adjectives and adverbs. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and crucial topic: modifying adjectives. In other words, we're going to explore how we can use adverbs to modify or further describe adjectives, making our sentences even more colorful and detailed. Before we delve into our main topic, let's do a quick recap. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, typically nouns. They give us more information about things, like their size, color, number, and so on. Adverbs, on the other hand, are like the chameleons of the English language. They can modify verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. They often describe how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something is done. When adverbs modify adjectives, they're usually giving us information about the degree or extent of the adjective. They answer the question, to what extent? For instance, in the phrase, extremely interesting, extremely is the adverb modifying the adjective, interesting, indicating a high degree of interest. It's important to note that when adverbs modify adjectives, they generally precede the adjective they are modifying. For example, in "She was absolutely stunning," the adverb, absolutely, comes before the adjective, stunning. There are many adverbs that are commonly used to modify adjectives. These include very, extremely, quite, almost, to, just, nearly, really, and so on. Each of these adverbs gives a different degree of intensity to the adjective it's modifying. For instance, he's very tired. She's extremely intelligent. The book was quite interesting. And that's a wrap on our lesson on modifying adjectives with adverbs. Understanding how to use adverbs to modify adjectives will help you express your ideas more clearly and make your language richer and more nuanced. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, go ahead and try creating your own sentences using adverbs to modify adjectives. Stay curious and keep learning. We'll meet again in our next lesson. Happy studying!